Here we have a nice lake. It is water that has been around for billions of years. But how did this water get up in the sky and back down to the ground again? It's all part of something called the water cycle. The first stage of the cycle is called evaporation. When the sun shines on the water molecules receive heat energy that allows them to move faster. This allows them to move so fast that some of them just fly right off. This is what creates water vapor. Water vapor is water in its gas form. This vapor is invisible and consists of many water molecules. As this vapor rises higher into the sky, it begins to lose heat energy. Then it condenses to form water droplets. Now water is in its liquid form. An average droplet has a diameter of 20 millimeters. When billions of these droplets are close together, a cloud forms. This is known as condensation. This is condensation. Condensation is the part of the water cycle where water droplets come together and form into a cloud. These clouds actually consist of many water droplets, but our eyes just see them as white puffy objects. Clouds that are really high in the sky can freeze. A cirrus cloud is a thin wispy cloud made of ice crystals. These large groups of droplets can float around in the sky from days, months, to even years. In a cloud, water droplets can form together to create bigger droplets. These droplets are considered raindrops. A droplet must be 2,000 micrometers to be considered a raindrop. Because of these raindrops, the mass of the cloud begins to increase. Now it is too heavy to be held up by the wind currents. These raindrops fall to the ground as precipitation. But after precipitation falls, where does all the water go? Some of the water collects on the ground and can evaporate again. Some of this precipitation just falls back into the ocean and then evaporates again. Also, it could seep into the ground and become something called groundwater. Groundwater is just water that flows underneath the ground. But the groundwater always finds its way back to the ocean again. While some of this water could actually freeze and become a glacier. But no matter where this water goes, it always finds its way back through the water cycle again.